These are only two candidates, presidential candidates, that if they become president of this country, corrupt politicians will run away from this country. They will run away because they know that they are in trouble. These are only two candidates that if they become president of this country, things will change. But the problem is, one can defend his mandate, fight for his own mandate, while one cannot be able to fight for his mandate. I don't know why. One, which is Sowore, can fight for his mandate, even if it can lead him dying. Sowore rather die than to watch another man steal his own mandate, like take away what belongs to him. If Sowore win a presidential election, no man can take away his mandate. If he dare it, this country will be turned upside down. Like, he rather die than to allow you step your feet inside the Aso Rock. But if P2B win presidential election, they can easily steal his mandate. That is the honest truth. They can easily steal his mandate, and nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. P2B have more numbers of supporters. Like, all the youth in Nigeria support P2B. But the truth is that can P2B can fight for his mandate even if you win? Because I can bet you with my life that if P2B win in 2027, he cannot fight for his mandate. He cannot. But if Sowore win in 2027 presidential election, nobody can take it away from him. This is the kind of mind I want Igbos to have. The kind of mind I want Igbos to build. Defend and fight for your own, fight for your mandate. Fight for what belongs to you.